Box cover, this is TheDuttyBerry and welcome to a brand new social media countdown. Oh, big up all of the people them in a Trinidad enjoying the soca and them something there. Anyway, so let's get right to it. Number 10, late entry, Shells It. Era. I do not know who the Boxfoot recorded this video, if it recent or what. I do not care. Ma ask you nothing, no breed if you breed. Box cover, so dance contest I go on stage. The poor ladies them on stage, I do them best with all of them coconut drops effort. Then to Rastaman toenail, right as the credits for go roll up and the curtains for close. Now inhale me that just Jim Screech here way in on the stage. Yes, she had the same wire waist girl where Prince Manny did with in Bono Nunos. Just watch. No, sir. I want to be Beyonce. Me you read her. No, sir. She never just jump and split and go transition in the indicator. I swear, the video, shell. Number 9, Alain married. Way yo. Boy, that bad. Off key. I want that me a ear over one part at a place they call Africa. Wait there. You mean if you tell me say good PG-13 cheerleader spirit with the Colgate sponsored teeth just got Africa go find man and get married so? No sir, I do not Boxfoot believe it. So I wake up this week only to go and see this post on Alain's Instagram page gone viral. Now the man and the alleged husband in the pic is an African gospel artist by the name of Willie Paul. Never really hear about him yet, but apparently he's very popular over there. The picture had a caption, when you know, you just know. I could only tell you yes. Hashtag I do. Just look on some of them picture. People, you see all we are going, all of them picture there, but just still feel say it's a show. Me not believe it. Me never see no Jamaican artist over the wedding in Africa. Me never see no auntie them or nephew or niece. Everybody over there say a stranger. Me not believe it. Not a Boxfoot. Me just feel maybe one music video. Them a do so them just a try a little thing.
Baby, yes I do. Yes I do. Baby, yes I do.
But if it is indeed true, Alain, I wish you all the best. I wish you all of the love them when you talk about it and you sang them. Alright? Big up yourself.
This is no ordinary love.
Number 8, Janelle Old Man. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. What a old man, wicked and lie. Burritos, you ever see a Chris car come towards you yet? And your mid say if you run into it, you can collect little money. Well, this old man say so a white man in the city, a drive him car and thing. When out of nowhere, this old man just run and drop down in front of the car. The man all rain at the incident to Boxfoot.
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
No man, man not laugh. If a money I beg, just beg the little money and done no man.
Lie.
Lord, take the case and give me the pillow. Watch all this old conniving man make the poor tourist get pressured into giving him some money. No man, it done, it must done now. Just watch him. No, sir. Me give up. Me give up. Number 7, goat thief. My geometry set. People, honestly, me never know so people still a thief goat in a 2017. Me think so the country farmers them they make it quite clear. So them have the jungle justice clapback locked. So this woman, yes, woman, was caught stealing a goat. And what was the resident's biggest issue was the fact that the thief was a female.
I got my goat in this man. What are them thief? Woman a thief goat. Yeah. No, but the man of
Oh God. Then at one point, the poor thief started to cry. Their performance, they could have kicked Viola Davis out of our Oscar win.
I'm so thankful that God chose you.
Now check out the random video of the week.
Oh, Carl, are you for a month?
Box tongue in blood clot if you have manners, boy. Know yourself. Box tongue in blood clot. Yes, stunt him.
Number 6, the glass shoe. Me Gabby Jeep. The party promoters stay being messy. People, especially the ladies, you see when you are at a party and you see one of the cameraman them come up to you for one take a picture, it is vital. It is our imperative that right after him goes so, you ask him for make you see the picture one side. So you can verify, evaluate, and tell him if you do it over back if you don't like it. Let me see this. No, I don't like it, I don't like it. My ear they want fix. Could you tell me some ear want fix? Take it over, take it over back. Anyway, so back to what I was saying. So this pretty young lady's picture went viral this week after it was posted online. Just examine it and wait until you see it. Oh God, look how poor Cinderella there, the baller posed like Beyonce. And nobody could tell her, say, I told them a French kiss is ceramic tile. Me done. Ladies, just be very careful of them glass shoes there. I don't know why I don't run up and down look like on Cinderella. Because once when you start sweat, the foot just going to go out so. Just, you see, out so. And the photographers will be there to take it and put up the picture embarrassing them. Number 5, the Purple and the Cabbie. Miss Center Table. So this police officer over one part decided to be hella petty when he opted to seize this taximan's vehicle. What away the Snoopy is this a going in at 2017? No, the brother the old side of the car, him can't find a different sentence. Come out of the man car. Come out of the man car.
Come on, man, car, man.
Finally, he remixed the line. Maybe the two of them are just good friends and they are wanted to go into a Need for Speed Fast and Furious race against Team Spice. So them finally evacuate the car. Me Dutch pat. The crowd all start to cuss off the officer. Lord gosh, fight start for pop. No. People tell me, Berritos tell me, how the Boxfoot, the driver, the taxi driver, end up back in the car.
Watch out.
Nah lie, I'm kinda impressed. I'm very impressed. So after all of that fighting and pulling and shoving and commotion, the police left empty-handed.
Go
Number 4, Jamaicans in court. Burritos, why the boxfoot Jamaican people have a tan so? Why my people them always have to just stand out anywhere them day? So this couple landed on one of the US court shows them and just hear what the Jamaican brother had to say.
Emotional distress. I've already heard about the house, the cleaning. Is there anything else, sir?
Your Honor, that time when I talked to her about the place and how she keeping the place, and she's home every day.
Okay.
I go to work for at least 21 hours for the day, doing 2 jobs, sleeping 3 hours. She's just nagging me for sex.
But how are the yang go on pa my timeline?
Your Honor, that place that I was in turned me off completely. I find myself like I'm not having no erection.
Suppose we no meet. Suppose we no meet.
And Your Honor, I told her I cannot have sex because I have no erection
Oh, what a weeping. Oh, what a wailing.
in this dirty place. Erection was like it's gone.
I heard you the first time. I heard you the first time.
No, sir. The man still dip on him erection.
Your Honor, what I have to do, she knows these pills. She knows these pills.
Here, hang up. And now for the hot shots of the week. The 2017 YVA red carpet.
Whoa, hold on now. Where did that come from? What's that? Back there, that was amazing. Where did you learn that?
A long time me a suck deep throat everything, goggles everything.
Number 3, Nesbeths Nightmare.
My dream.
Aura. The dresser draw. Nesbeth. Oh, Nesbeth. So reggae singer Nesbeth got cross after attending the Youth View Awards and not winning in the category Favorite Chart-Topping Single of the Year. People, I was there, and the man just walked right out after them announced Kartel name as the winner. Then, in usual social media style, he took to Instagram to rant about the whole fact that never winning at the category.
I just leave out a YVA award. And let me tell you the reason for me to leave out there. I can't imagine how YVA have the chart-topping song, local song, and they did not give My Dream that award.
Oh, I see.
Something is not right. My fans complain about trying to vote and all of that. And this is an award for the youth. And you did not give My Dream, a song that inspires so many people left, right and center. Let me say this to you, YVA organizers, you cannot break Nesbeth meditation.
Well, here's the thing, people. I totally believe that My Dream was the most deserving. It should have won for favorite chart-topping single of the year. But it is not what me feel. It is all about where the YVA fan base, the young pitney them, the teenager them, who them are going to vote for and who have the biggest fan base and who can really come out and support them artists. And to be fair, to be in a category against Alkaline with Lock the City and Vybz Kartel Fever, and you have people like Popcorn in there with Overdo It. When you think about the average 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19-year-old, who them are going to vote for? Number 2, Curvy Diva and That Dress. Listen to me, people, I am terrified. I am totally afraid of social media. You see, what if Uno just too savage? So Curvy Diva is back, hosting the Magnum Kings and Queen of Dancehall. So the first night, the first live show, she decided to go and wear this particular outfit. Just look. And out of nowhere, the whole of social media just erupt and start to properly, what do I even say? Make fun of her. No, not wicked. Uno is not nice. But you see this week, she had made a grand return with this very sexy see-through, suction dress. It showed the whole her curves them. You can't say she not proper right here, so. Uno can't say she not proper right here, so. Just look. Okay, so now to a new segment in the social media countdown. It is the big up segment. So big up all of the people that want to celebrate their birthday. Happy birthday to Uno. And also want to say big up to Spice. Spice to get proper endorsement from Nicki Minaj Wade with your Indicator remix. Soca remix. So big up you on that. And like how she kind of ended a little beef there to Remy Ma. It would be cool if I can kind of write the little lyrical something that can know so you and the battling kind of wicked same way. So kind of, you know, write the little song them and you give Nicki so she can go defeat Remy. And also in the other big up section, I want to say big up to Isin for his single Punching Bag. Very timely. It is very, you know, very important that we heed this message. It's about, you know, young ladies not being abused and not being in situations where them thinks that domestic violence is okay. You have to carry yourself with confidence and all of them something there. Too much crosses are reached, you know, from Wade in Jamaica. It is a song that is definitely important right now. I'm hope that just listening, taking the message, understand, share the love. And number one goes to Lisa Hanna and the Cartel Band. Lisa.
Put your money where your mouth there.
No, not the Lisa there. No, not the Lisa there either. The beauty queen one me attack, Miss World. Oh, finally. So what day in the still of the night, social media erupted after word got out that Miss World Lisa Hanna allegedly wanted to ban Vybz Kartel's music.
You lucky, me no do you know it.
Yes, to Boxfoot, she had decided to touch the grounds that no other reptile ever dared to touch. So here is the official clip of what Lisa Hanna kind of said in that interview with Cliff Hughes. Was it Nationwide? I don't remember.
The issue where Cartel's music keeps coming out than any other person, because I haven't heard any new songs from Buju since he has been incarcerated. I think we need to get to the root cause of
Wait, what?
We need to find out how the songs are being made.
Yes, Lisa.
How they're getting out. Is there corruption in the prison system?
I want to know some corruption in a prison.
I'm not singling out Cartel alone. I'm singling out all persons across the spectrum who are having an imprint on our children's value systems to cause them to do certain things.
Imprint? No, something from Twilight that.
Imprinting on someone is like everything changes. Nothing else matters. You would do anything, be anything for her.
And you see people, right after that, the Vaza fans them got cross. Them blood did a boil for poor Miss Lisa Hanna. But what could they do? What did they do? Well, basically it looked like they had decided to congregate at them head office in a Portmore and come to one consensus.
General knowledge. How should Gaza fans respond to Lisa Hanna?
Done our Instagram. And that is what they her Boxfoot did. The whole Gaza group decided to congregate upon Lisa Hanna's Instagram page upon her most recent picture and made it known that they weren't in agreement with some of the most colorful language. Comments which ranged from the category of at Father Times writes, at Lisa Hanna, good morning and a happy Sunday. Please, can you go and suck your mother? And then there were those who were just angry but didn't really have a full grasp of English. At DEEJ_thou, stinking gal Lisa Hanna, middle finger, ya must BBC idiot. A band world boss from Sing. Do your favor. And then there were the sensible Gaza fans who opted to correct the ones who made a few errors. At Gaza123 critic, people, it's not banned, it is ban, B-A-N. Hashtag Gaza. And of course, yes, some of them agreed fully with what Lisa Hanna said, such as at Jam Down Yardy. Totally agree with you, Lisa. The standards in Jamaica are low in the criminal justice system when someone in prison is allowed to publish music and influence the music scene. The authorities should not only ban music with obscenity, but also make liable the music producers of these awful products. And by now, you must know, says some people also decided to take things up, way up here, so, and want to go threaten the woman life. Them things that I don't support in one bit. That was, yeah, just hitting way too below the belt and going too far. But here are my 2 cents. And this whole cartel ban, I'm a Gaza fan, I believe the cartel music forget ban, but me go own up say the fact say me biased Make a own up seven bias when it comes to Kartel. I just feel uncomfortable about the whole idea of people kind of blaming Kartel for the breakdown in a society. One man couldn't do it, as several things contribute to it. So let me know what are your thoughts, Berritos. Do you think that you agree with Lisa Hanna? Should his music be banned in some sort of way? Or nah, do you think that it is just stupid and Kartel needs to just continue doing whatever he are doing? Let me know in the comments. Team Gaza or Team Lisa? Our team in between? Our team none of them? Comment below. Well, that is it, Berritos. Thanks for watching another Dutty Berry social media countdown. I love you so much. Make sure that you are go and subscribe and share this video. Leave a comment. I love when you leave a comment. And if you want to follow me on social media, it is at TheDuttyBerryShow. On my Instagram, my Snapchat, everywhere. If you want to email me, book me, and talk to me about stuff, it is booking at livstush or DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Yeah, take care. Until next time.